In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sound blur on Zoom app. If your voice sounds smeared, muffled, or it cuts in and out during meetings, the fix is usually just a quick adjustment to Zoom's audio settings. I'll walk you through it in a calm, clear way so you can follow along right on your laptop. First, open the Zoom app on your laptop. Once it's open, look for the gear icon, usually near the top right of the home window. That's your Settings button. Click it to open the control panel where all the important options live. Inside Settings, select Audio from the menu. This is where Zoom controls your microphone and sound processing. The issue people call sound blur often comes from aggressive noise suppression, which tries to remove background sounds but can accidentally soften parts of your voice. Find the setting labeled Suppress Background Noise. If it's set to auto or a higher level, try turning it off or set it to low. Low keeps some cleaning in place but avoids cutting out syllables or soft speech. If your environment is quiet, turning it off can give you the clearest, most natural voice. Just remember that with lower suppression, you might hear a bit more room sound, so choose what fits your space. Next, look for original sound from musicians. If this option is on, disable it. Original sound is designed for music and live instruments, and it reduces Zoom's speech-specific processing. That can be great for musical sessions, but in regular meetings, it may make your voice sound inconsistent or blurrier when background noise creeps in. Turning it off lets Zoom optimize for spoken voice again. Now it's time to test your microphone and speak clearly. In the same audio section, use the Test Mic feature. Click Test, say a few sentences in your normal meeting voice, then listen to the playback. Watch the input level meter while you speak. Aim for a steady, healthy level without peaking into the red. Keep your mouth a consistent distance from the mic, avoid covering it with your hand, and try not to trail off at the ends of sentences. If you're using a built-in laptop mic, angle the screen so it points toward you, and reduce nearby noise like fans or keyboard tapping. A calm, steady pace and clear articulation go a long way. That's it. Open Zoom, go to Settings, adjust background noise suppression to low or off, disable original sound if it's on, and test your mic while speaking clearly. With these tweaks, your voice should sound crisp and natural in your next call.